Hello friends, thinking of building or renovating your kitchen? Wait, watch this video before you start. We have seen hundreds of kitchen setups go wrong, not because of bad materials, but because of poor planning. Whether your kitchen is already built or you are just getting started, these mistakes can cost you time, money, and a lot of frustration. Let us break it down into three phases. Number 1, before the kitchen is built, civil plus electrical plus plumbing phase. Number 2, while the kitchen is being built, that is design plus material selection. Number 3, after the kitchen is built, that is finishing touches plus accessories. Let us start with phase 1, before kitchen work starts. This includes all civil, electrical and plumbing work. Electrical mistakes. Number 1, not planning enough electrical points. Many people miss sockets for key appliances. Later, you are forced to use ugly and unsafe extension boards. So always plan sockets for fridge, exhaust fan, hob, chimney, microwave, dishwasher, washing machine if it is in kitchen, oven, water purifier, profile lights, main lights, fan, geyser, plus 4 extra sockets for mixer, toaster, grill or phone charging. Number 2, placing the fridge switch behind the fridge. You will need to move it every time you want to turn it off. Keep all switches easily accessible. Mark their spots on the wall before tiling. Number 3, putting switches near the burner or sink. This is risky. Keep sockets at least 1 to 2 feet away from heat or water to avoid short circuits or shocks. Plumbing mistakes. Number 1, using a bottle trap under the sink. Bottle traps are made for bathroom basins, not kitchens. Food particles clog them. Instead, use a proper PVC or flexible pipe. Number 2, missing water purifier outlet point. People add only inlet but forget the outlet. Later, a blue pipe dangles inside your sink. Plan both inlet and outlet in advance, preferably under the sink with a small partitioned area. Number 3, not finalizing sink mixer type. Decide early, do you want a wall mounted tap or a platform mounted one? Each needs different plumbing. If you are using an undermount sink, platform-mounted mixers work better. Number 4, not planning water and drain points for dishwasher or washing machine. If you are going to install them, make sure to have electric point, inlet point and drain point ready. Otherwise, breaking tiles later will cost extra. Civil mistakes. Number 1, building a base under the cabinets. This takes away drawer height. Avoid it. Modern kitchens don't need it. Number 2, adding RCC slab above cabinets. This reduces space for drawers. In modular kitchens, the countertop rests directly on the cabinets. Number 3, not planning chimney duct route. Don't let beams or columns block it later. Plan the pipe path early to avoid bending ducts or false ceiling boxing. Number 4, installing wall tiles before the platform. This causes height mismatch. First install the granite countertop, then fix the backsplash tiles. Number 5, skipping HDHMR or WPC board between granite and cabinets. Always place a board between granite and cabinets. It protects from moisture and adds height support for proper drawer alignment. Phase 2, while kitchen is being built. Material mistakes. Number 1, using plywood for everything. Plywood is good for carcass, but use blockboard for shutters. It doesn't bend like ply. You can also choose HDHMR for the full kitchen. Some of the best brands for plywood are Duro, Century Scenic, Greenply, etc. While for HDHMR boards, Action Tesa, Lignol, etc. Number 2. Using thick laminate outside and thin inside. A common mistake in modular furniture is applying a thick laminate 1.5 to 2 mm on the outside of shutters or panels, while using a very thin laminate or sometimes none at all on the inside. This creates an imbalance in surface tension, causing the shutter to bend or warp over time. To avoid this, always balance the laminate thickness on both sides. If you are using a 1.5 to 2 mm laminate outside for a premium finish, make sure to use at least 0.8 to 1 mm laminate on the inside. This helps maintain structural stability and ensures long-term durability. Number 3. Skipping WPC near the sink area. Always use WPC base under sink units. It is waterproof and termite proof. Number 4. Using laminate cuttings on shutter edges. This looks rough. Always use edge banding tape. 1 mm is best for durability and clean finish. Design mistakes. Number 1. Choosing high gloss finishes without a maid. High gloss kitchens look great but need regular cleaning. If you don't have a maid, avoid them. Fingerprints and smudges show easily. For daily use kitchens, go with matte or acrylic matte finishes. They are easier to maintain and look clean for longer. Number 2. Using Duco paint for shutters. Duco paint looks smooth but is not durable for kitchens. It scratches and chips easily. If your kitchen is used daily, avoid Duco. Go for acrylic, laminate or PU. They last longer and handle wear better. Number 3. Installing outside handles that stick out. Avoid using bulky outside handles. They ruin the modern look and can catch on clothes in tight spaces. Instead, go for seamless options like Gola profiles or J handles for a cleaner, safer and more stylish kitchen. Number 4. Wrong countertop height. Standard is 34 to 36 inches. For real comfort, measure from your wrist to elbow while standing. That is your ideal height. And if you are adding a dishwasher, stick to 34 inches so it aligns perfectly with the counter. Number 5. Using dual colors without viewing distance. If your kitchen is visible from 10 feet or more, dual tones can look great. But in smaller spaces or where it is not seen from a distance, stick to a single elegant color to keep it clean and cohesive. Number 6. Leaving the fridge outside the cabinet design. Don't leave the fridge outside the cabinet design. It looks odd and breaks the flow. Make a box around it or use a built-in model for a clean, seamless look. Phase 3. After kitchen is built. Number 1. Not making full height upper cabinets. Avoid leaving a gap above the upper cabinets. It collects dust and grease. If budget is tight, add a simple 2 feet loft with basic shutters for extra storage and a built-in look. Number 2. Wrong chimney size. Using the wrong chimney size affects suction. If you use all 3 burners regularly, choose a 3 feet chimney to cover the full range. For lighter use, a 2 feet one works. Go for auto clean models. They are easier to maintain. Number 3. Installing built-in hob without knowing maintenance. Built-in hobs look sleek, but food collects underneath and needs yearly servicing. If that is a hassle, go for a regular countertop hob. Also, skip 4 burner hobs. They don't fit big utensils well. A 3 burner with a center flame works best for Indian cooking. Number 4. Buying Pinterest style imported sinks. Many people buy fancy Pinterest style imported sinks just because they look beautiful online. But in reality, they often don't come with proper service support or compatible plumbing fittings in India. It is much safer and smarter to go with good Indian brands that offer warranties and after-sales service. Always install the sink under the granite, never above it. It looks cleaner and prevents water seepage. Seal it properly with epoxy or silicone. Never use white cement, as it cracks and leads to leakage. For Indian kitchens, double bowl sinks with integrated trays like GTPT or TVT models work best for multitasking. Under the sink, go for pocket sliding shutters instead of regular doors. They slide into the sides, giving you full access to the bin and plumbing. Super practical and space saving. Number 5. Using wire baskets instead of modular drawers. Wire baskets look outdated. Modular drawers are cleaner. Just add internal organizers for plates, cutlery, and bowls to make them functional. Number 6. Getting the kitchen made by a local carpenter. Avoid getting your kitchen made by a local carpenter. TV units or small cabinets are okay, but for kitchens, go for factory-made modular work. It is cleaner, more durable, and gives a better finish that lasts longer. So what do you think? Did you already make any of these mistakes? Are you planning your kitchen and unsure what to choose? Share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.